Hello, we're doing another lesson on rounding numbers. This time we are looking at numbers that are in between 10 and 100. So most of your two-digit numbers we're going to be looking at for rounding. Our first number today, number 1, is the number 98. And when we look at that first number, the number in the tens place is a 9. So that tells us that the lower number that we could round to is 90. If you go 60, 70, 80, 90, your next number is 100. For this, you're going to look at the number right after it. And again, we're talking about, is that number 5 or higher? So if I go 5, 6, 7, 8, that's higher. So we know that we're going to round up and we're going to round to 100. For number 2, the number is 29. And again, we look at that number right there in the tens place. And we see that that number is a 2 for 20. So I'm going to write a 20 right there. If I'm counting by tens, I go 10, 20, 30. Next, I'm going to look at the number that's behind the tens place, the ones place. Is this number 5 or higher? Yes, it is. So we're going to round up. And the last one we're going to show today is 53. The number in the tens place is a 5. So we know that our number will be 50. The next 10 that comes after it, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we know that 53 is in between 50 and 60. Again, you look at this number right here. The number behind the tens place is the ones place. We're checking to see if that number is 5 or higher. 3 is not higher than 5. So we don't round up, we round down instead. So this one is going to be 50 for this answer. So again, that's how we round numbers to the nearest 10 for numbers in between 10 and 100. Thanks for watching.